This instructional video is on rewriting equations into slope-intercept form. When writing equations in slope-intercept form, we want to reference our general equation of y equals mx plus b. When we are writing equations in slope-intercept form, we need the y to be on the left-hand side of the equal sign, the mx to be on the right-hand side of the equal sign, and then the plus b to be all the way at the back. If you look at example number 1, 3x plus y equals 2, you will notice that the 3x is at the front of the equation and not on the right-hand side of the equal sign. So if we take the 3x, we move it to the right-hand side of the equation, it would become the opposite. So a positive 3x becomes the opposite. It becomes a negative 3x. So we would rewrite the equation as y equals the negative 3x that we changed, and then the positive 2 at the back. We can then identify our slope is the negative 3x piece, and the y-intercept is the positive 2. 2, same thing, we're going to reference our general equation, y equals mx plus b. We want the y to be on the left-hand side of the equal sign, the mx to be on the right-hand side of the equal sign, and the plus b to be at the back. If we draw our line down our equal sign, we can see that the negative 4x is on the left-hand side. We want to take that negative 4x, we want to move it to the right-hand side. When we move something, we change it to the opposite, so we would change it to a positive 4x. So our equation now reads 2y equals a positive 4x with a positive 6. We want the y to be completely by itself, so in order to move the 2 to isolate that variable, we divide. So 4x divided by 2 would give us a value of 2x, and then the 6 divided by 2 gives us a value of 3. Y equals 2x plus 3 is our final equation. So we have a slope of 2x and a y-intercept of positive 3. Number 3, referencing our slope-intercept form equation, y equals mx plus b. Again, the y goes on the left-hand side by itself, the mx goes on the right-hand side of the equal sign, and the plus b goes at the back. Looking at our equation, x plus y equals 4, we need to take our x and move it to the right-hand side of the equal sign. When we do that, we end up with y equals, that would become a negative x, and we know that that is a 1, so that would be a negative 1x for our slope, and then the positive 4 at the back. So again, our slope value is that negative 1x, and the y-intercept is our positive 4. For number 4, we again reference our general equation, y equals mx plus b, wanting that y to be on the left-hand side by itself, the mx to be on the right-hand side of the equal sign, and then the plus b to be at the back. Looking at our equation for number 4, y minus x equals 1, we want to move that minus x from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. When you move a negative x, it would change to a positive x, and we know that that is a 1x with that variable. So our equation is a y equals, it is a positive 1x, and then a positive 1 at the back. Our m value, the slope, is the positive 1x, and the y-intercept, the b value, is the plus 1 at the back of the equation.